Hello, my name is Umar. I'm one of the co-founders of Code Ninja. Think of us as rebellion against closed AI systems, traditional SaaS stacks, expensive, licensed physical AI platforms. So think of us as we stand against each one of these things. We believe in a world where technology should be free and every organization should be able to control the means of production. Today, I'll be sharing how we're building uh, hyper ontologies so every organization can have that Palantir level capability in-house. And that's what we have developed in Hypersystems. I'll give you a quick walkthrough of what it is and how it works.
Every company wants to point agents at their software. Most of them hand the agent a pile of tables and hope it works. Uh, to keep this concrete, let's take a sales team as our example. But everything you see here works for any object in your business: an invoice, a project, a patient record, a loan, a physical AI data stream. So think of it as a system table, a deal system table, flat columns. An agent gets 5 generic tools on it. It can list, get, create, update, delete. This is the whole surface. No relationships, no meaning, no rules. It can write anything into any column, and nothing stops it. So the first thing we do is read the system table you already have. We pull out every object type, its fields, and its keys. These keys become real typed traversable links. This part is fully deterministic, no models, no guessing. It's just your database, your system table lifted into a graph. And because it is generated, it never drifts. A system table cannot tell you what anything means. It doesn't know that a deal is also called or could be called an opportunity, or what a link is for. So we enrich it. We add the words your people actually use and the semantics of every relationship. A model drafts this, a human confirms it. It stays pinned to your real fields, so nothing is invented. Then we add the verbs. Every object gets a life cycle, the legal moves it is allowed to make, and a set of governed actions. Advancing a deal is now a real action with a guard. Closing the deal moves money, so it requires an agent or a human. An illegal jump is no longer possible. This is the kinetic layer. It's part of a plain system table. Can never hold. All of that becomes one config file. Several generic tools read it. The tools have no business logic inside them. They read the model at runtime. So whether you have 80 types or 10,000, it is still 7 tools. To change what your agents can see and do, you edit the config, not the code. And it's the most important part. If you are deploying reasoning on top of your systems, that you do not get to call hundreds of tools, and it would gonna save massive compute for you. Now, watch the difference. The agent tries to close a deal that is still in prospecting on raw system tables. That just happens. 4 stages skipped silently, no approval, and your pipeline is now wrong. On the ontology, the same request is refused. The guard says the jump is illegal. And when the agent tries to close the revenue, the right away, it does not write anything. It files an approval and waits for a human. The agent literally cannot do the wrong thing. That is the whole idea. You start with the system tables. You add an ontology for meaning and kinetics for safe actions. And now your agents are operating on structured reality instead of a black box. With hyper ontology, every application ships this by default. That is the difference between the agent that guesses and an agent you can trust.